It has always been our endeavor to expose our children to different experiences, and empirical is one such effort. Now, empirical, which means carrying out experiments, which means hands-on learning, which means learning by doing. We thought we'll have three concepts which can be done with the help of the children. Each class was divided into three groups. Every child in every class has been a part of it. We wanted children to reflect on our lifestyles, the lifestyle that we've adopted now, on preservatives, on heart, on machines. We are enslaved of our machines. I'm talking of mobile in particular. So how and why they should not be used or should be used, or ethical use of these machines is very, very important. That's what we wanted children to reflect on. And I think we had a lovely experience with the teachers.
Morning, parents! Respected parents, we are delighted to welcome you to our empirical program. Your presence makes this even more special for us. Today we are taking you to the world of reality and experiments, and we are excited to share our learning, talents and hard work with you today. This station is District Wonders. They are Suhasini, Yashita, Vijayan, Purav and you. They all will show you chemical reactions. Good morning everyone. Welcome parents to our chemistry corner. As we have already seen the circulatory corner, that we must eat healthy food. But Vijayan, do you know, if we eat unhealthy food, then what will happen exactly inside our stomach? Not really. Can you tell me? Yes, let me tell you. Our stomach tries to find the spices by making more acid. This leads to burning in the chest sometimes. Do you know what is this? No, we don't know. It is called acidity. When acid goes up from your stomach to the chest, it causes burning. Oh yes, but that is why the doctor suggests antacid. Antacid is the base that cools the burning downs. So parents, food creates reaction in our body, which can be good or bad sometimes. But what is exactly chemical reaction, parents? Do you know? Let me tell you. Today we are taking you to the magical world of chemistry, where you will find the ordinary substance. When mixed together, will form a new thing. Let's do a magic experiment. Are you all ready? Yes! Today we have something which you must have seen in the kitchen. Can you guess? What is it? Do you want to smell and find out? Ma'am, you can smell it. Ma'am, you can smell it. Yes, you are right. It is turmeric. Do you want to smell and find out? Ma'am, you can smell it. Ma'am, you can smell it. Yes, you are right. It is vinegar. Come on, let's have fun. Here's a bowl of water. Here's turmeric powder, vinegar and washing powder. Let me show you one fun activity. Here's a bowl of water. Now we'll add this turmeric powder and stir it. Oh wow, this color changed in yellow color. Now my bird will add this white powder in it. Can you guess what is that? Ma'am, you can smell and find out. Ma'am, you can smell it. Yes, it's detergent. Yes, washing powder or detergent. Yes, you're right. Now I want to show you something. If I will add washing powder to it, then what changes will happen? The water is turned in red color. Amazing. Now I want to show you something. If I will add vinegar to it, then what will happen? Let's check out. This water will turn in yellow color again. Wow! Wait. Let me request you to join for one more fun activity. Here is a bowl of Eno. Here is a bowl of water. Now I will add this Eno. and stir it. Oh wow, so many bubbles. Now, what is common in these two activities? In the first activity, color was changing. In second activity, bubbles were formed. Do you know what is this? It is chemical reaction. These are chemical reactions. These changes are not magic. It's a chemical reaction. Have a better look at the wrapper which we have given you. What is the common number which are n circles? Can you see about the web tips written on the back? Yes, my mom told me that these are chemicals used to increase the shelf life of the food items. Parents, do you know when these chemicals enter in our body, it will change the composition of the blood. Life is precious. Should we do something about it? Yes, we should. Instead of Tetra Pak juice, we should start consuming fresh milk or juice. Avoid consuming irritated drinks and try to choose healthy food every day. Let us all promise today. Always eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Thank you.
Teachers and students have worked very hard, and my all thanks to the parents who are a great support for JBM's all activities.